एक्स्ट्रा टाइम। एक्स्ट्रा टाइम के पास आईपीएल को लेकर काफ़ी सारा स्टोरी है, आपके चहेते खिलाड़ियों के बारे में काफ़ी सारा स्टोरी है। ये स्टोरी आप लोग रोज़ देखते हो, लेकिन आज एक अपॉर्चुनिटी हमारे तौर से दिया जा रहा है। आप लोग एक मैच खेल सकते हो, वो भी किसके खिलाफ? दादा के खिलाफ। सौरभ गांगुली ने माई 11 सर्कल में अपना एक टीम बनाया है। अगर आप चाहते हो दादा के टीम को आप बीट करें तो जल्द से जल्द हमारे कमेंट बॉक्स में और डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाइए, वहाँ पर उस ऐप्स का लिंक दिया हुआ है, उस लिंक को डाउनलोड करें, टीम बनाएं, दादा के टीम के अगेंस्ट में खेले। अगर आप दादा को हरा सके तो आपको दुगना राशि मिलेगी, तो देर किस बात की। दोस्तों, अगर आपको नया अकाउंट क्रिएट करना है तो आपको कुछ पैसा डिपॉजिट करना पड़ेगा। उसके बाद इस ऐप्स के द्वारा आपको 1500 रुपये का बोनस दिया जाएगा। और अगर आप हमारे एक्सक्लूसिव सब्सक्राइबर है, मतलब एक्स्ट्रा टाइम के एक्सक्लूसिव सब्सक्राइबर है, तो आपको मिलेगा 20% डिस्काउंट। आप जो मनी डिपॉजिट कर रहे हो उसका 20% आपको डिस्काउंट मिलेगा। ये बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटिंग है। सौरभ गांगुली, शेन वॉटसन, राशिद खान जैसे बड़े बड़े दिग्गज इस ऐप्स के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं। तो आप लोग देर मत कीजिए, इस ऐप्स को तुरंत डाउनलोड कीजिए और ढेर सारा पैसा कमाइए। और इस ऐप में एक स्पेशल बटन भी है, उस बटन को क्लिक करते ही आप लोग पहुंच जाएंगे रमी सर्कल में। आप लोग रमी भी खेल सकते हो और ढेर सारा पैसा वहां से भी कमा सकते हो। तो देर मत कीजिए, इस ऐप्स को तुरंत डाउनलोड करें।
You refused a single to Rahul during the last match. What was going under your mind for that decision to be made? And after that, what happened is actually what you need to talk about.
Yes, I think when you're playing a tournament like IPL or when you're playing a format like 2020, each and every over of an opponent bowler becomes very crucial. So at that moment, I thought that Maxwell was bowling is an off spinner. So I'm a right-handed batsman and I was striking it really well. So I just wanted to face maximum number of deliveries of Maxwell as possible to score the maximum amount of runs. I was just thinking about hitting those 3 to 4 sixes in those five or six balls. So that's why I didn't take a single. I think with Rahul Tewatia being a left-hander and he was not at his right form at that moment of his innings, so I thought that's a good decision to take, and that 1 or 2 sixes are going to change the match. So I was confident that I can hit those sixes.
Okay. Anuj Mishra from ANI has asked, considering the depth in batting along with the likes of Tewatia and Archer coming good with the bat, do we see RR preferring to chase in the tournament?
Preferring to chase, as you rightly said, our team is very well balanced. I think we have good amount of good strong bowling lineup, and also now with, as rightly said, Tewatia and Jofra being one of the match winners in the last 2 matches. I think we are very confident with our batting lineup. Also, we are batting so deep that Shreyash Gopal is coming around 9 to 10, and Jaydev is finishing the innings. I think they also have some decent scores. So I believe that it depends upon the conditions. I think it depends upon the conditions. If you have enough dew coming on the second innings, you would like to bat first. And it's purely according to the situation we take a decision on the toss.
Shantanu from First Post has asked, you have always been a smooth six hitter, but you have been hitting a lot of sixes this IPL. What's the secret to clear the ground with so much ease?
Yes, I think I have understood my game. As I have already said that I have understood my game. I think it's more of a power hitting, and when you come to T20, it becomes a bit more higher. So I was lucky enough to get those 4 to 5 months where I was training on my strength and my power hitting and my power exercises in my gym and otherwise. So I think that might have helped me to hit more sixes this season.
Abhishek Purohit from HT has asked, you said you have 10 years left in the game. How hard or complicated has it been to come to this realization?
Yes, I think it has been. I think as I have been very lucky to be a part of Rajasthan Royals or people. I think I have been lucky to be a part of very good cricketers along with me. But more than that, I have had some really great individuals, like good human beings around me. So I've understood that you have to take a call somewhere or other in life or something like that. I think so. I'm a bit deep person. I keep on thinking about my future. I keep on thinking where I'm going, which direction am I leading to, or I keep on thinking that when am I, like how many years do I have in my life left? I think eventually everyone will die one day. So at the same time, if I play cricket, I'm going to finish playing cricket one day. So that's how I came to this thought that I can't play cricket after 10 to I think 10 to 12 years or whatever time it is. If I'm not fit enough, I should not play. So that's when I realized that I have 10 years to go. Or and really one amazing experience happened. I think when I was in the gym with the Indian team, I was with training with Virat Bhai. So I just asked him, I think how is his training routines, or why does he put so much energy into fitness and all those things. I keep on asking him a lot of different questions, and then he told me that Sanju, how many years are you going to play? So I said, we are मैं 25 का हूँ. I think I can play around 10 more years or something like that. Then he told, I think तू 10 साल बाद तू कुछ भी कर सकता है. तू तेरे को केरला का खाना खाना है, तू कुछ भी खा सकता है. जो जो मन करे कर सकता है. But this 10 years, you won't be able to play cricket after this 10 years. So why don't you give everything, whatever you have in this 10 years? I think that really changed my perspective towards my dedication towards cricket. I was already dedicated. I used to give everything, but there was something more which I could have given. So I was really happy to hear that from him.
Amit from Big FM is asking, back-to-back power pack performances. Do you think you're knocking the door of National Selection Committee office for national side?
Yeah, I may be not. I'm not sure. I think only thing I'm sure is that I'm in a good form. I'm winning matches for my team, and that's what I've been really preparing myself throughout my career. I think only dream I have is to win matches for my team, any team I play for. I think that's what it's happening right now, and I think I should keep my focus here and focus on the IPL right now.
How tough is it adjusting to the scorching heat of the UAE? Does playing in Jaipur help you with that?
Yeah, playing in Jaipur and playing in Kerala really helps to deal with the hot weather. I think it was a bit easy to adapt.
People are comparing your style of playing with MS Dhoni. How do you react to that?
Well, that's a bit. I'm not at all sure about that. I think MS Dhoni, no one can play like him, or no one should try playing like him. That's what I would like to suggest anyone. It's not at all easy to play like MS Dhoni or think to play like MS Dhoni. I think we should leave him aside. He's one of the best finishers or best cricketers to ever play this wonderful game. So I never think about me playing like MS Dhoni. What I really love to be is like be myself, or understand what is Sanju Samson, and just be myself whenever I play a game.
Lastly, Sanju, just your preparation for the match tomorrow. What are you most looking forward to, and how do you see your opposition?
I think I am in a very good space. I think I'm in a very good space mentally and physically. I'm very ready and eager to go. I think we're just going for our practice today. So I think definitely when you keep on playing different opponents, I think you keep on changing your plans. When you're playing in different venues, I think we are playing in Dubai tomorrow, so there are bigger grounds, so you need to change your game plans accordingly. So yes, preparation wise, game plan wise, everything is spot on. I think we have very smart guys here in our team management. I would like to say that I was spending a lot of time with our video analyst, whose name is Manish Shetty. I think I have closely worked with him from last 4 to 5 months, thinking about my game and talking a lot about opponents like KKR or Punjab or Chennai, or how do the bowlers come and bowl to me, or how are they trying to get me out. So spending a lot of time with quality people like Manish Shetty, the video analyst we have, I think that has really improved my cricketing brain and cricketing sense. And I think I'm in right hands. I think we are ready for the next game, man.
Hit the subscribe option and the bell icon to get all the exclusive sports videos on Extra Time.